Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my fourth grade students of MENAHİL International School. Welcome to our English lesson. Today we will continue with Unit 9, Lesson 3. So please open your class book, page 70. We are going to ask and answer questions using superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives. Long, the longest. Do you remember the superlative adjectives? How do we make superlative adjective? By adding est. And we are going to write sentences with superlative adjectives. And we are going to use superlative adjective and places in the context of a song. So, today we have a nice song. And don't forget your workbook, page 66. But first, let's do our homework, please. Thanks for doing your homework. Let's correct it together. Page 65. Exercise number 1. Read and tick true or cross each sentence. Number 1. Look at the picture, okay? Ben is taller than Carl. Cross. Number 2. Carl's taller than Adam. Cross. Number 3. Adam's the tallest. Yes. Tick. Put tick here, please. Number 4. Planes are the fastest. Here we have superlative form. The superlative form. EST. Planes are the fastest. Yes, put tick, please. Now, bikes are faster than cars. Bikes are faster than cars. Here we have comparative, okay? Comparative, because we have than and er. Cross, okay? Because cars are faster than bikes. Now, cars are faster than bikes. Yes, put tick here, please. Tick here. Now, number 7. Cheetahs are the biggest. Look at cheetah. We have here 3 animals: elephant, a mouse, a cheetah. Cheetahs are the biggest. Cross. Yes, excellent. Cross. Cheetahs are bigger than mice. Yes, cross. Here, tick. Elephant are the biggest. Yes, elephant are the biggest. Tick here, please. Please correct this exercise with me if you have any mistakes. Now look at this picture carefully. What's the fastest animal here? What's the fastest animal? The fastest animal is the cheetah. Yes. Here we have the superlative form, okay? The fastest animal between 3 animals. What's the smallest animal? What's the smallest animal here? Yes, the mouse is the smallest animal. Okay, the mouse. Here we have the superlative form of the adjective small, smallest. What's the biggest elephant here? What's the biggest animal here? The biggest animal is the elephant. Yes. Yes. So here we have the superlative form of the adjective big by putting biggest. Okay, biggest. Now exercise number 2. Write. Carl is the shortest. Okay, here we have an adjective and you should write comparative or superlative. Ben, look at Ben. Short than Adam. Okay, here we have comparative. A comparative. Shorter, yes. ER, shorter. Now number 3, bikes are the, look at bikes, slow. Okay, we have the adjective here, slow. Superlative or comparative? Who can tell me? Superlative, okay? Because we have the slowest. Yes. Now number 4, cars are than planes. Okay, now we have comparative between cars and planes. Who are slower? Which is slower? Yes, who can tell me? Yes, cars are slower than planes. Number 5, cheetahs are than elephants. Okay, we have comparative between cheetahs and elephant, smaller. Yes. Mice, look at mice. Mice is the plural of mouse. Okay, mice plural are the smallest. Here we have the superlative form. Mice are the smallest, okay, among these animals. Superlative. Yes. So here we have one mouse. A mouse. Here we have a lot of mice. Yes, mice. The plural of a mouse, mice. Now, comparative or superlative. When we have a comparative between Adam and Ben, okay, so we use ER. Here we have comparative because between two people, two things, for example. يكون لدينا مقارنة عندما يكون لدينا مقارنة بين شيئين أو شخصين. Or superlative, here we have 3, okay? When we have a comparative, we have 2. When we have superlative, we have 3. Superlative between 3, okay? For example, Adam's the tallest. Here we put EST. Now, exercise number 3. Write the answers. Are cheetahs faster than elephant? Yes, they are. Are bikes bigger than cars? Yeah, no, they aren't. Bikes aren't bigger than cars, okay? Is Ben the tallest boy? No, he isn't. Is Ben the tallest boy? No, he isn't. Yes, please, write it with me now. Now, let's review the superlative form and let's remember the question from last lessons. What's the fastest animal in the world? What's the fastest animal in the world? Who can remember? Here we have the short adjective fast. Okay, we make superlative from it by adding est. كيف عملنا صيغة التفضيل من fast. Fast means سريع. Fastest الأسرع. Okay, by adding est and by putting the fastest. Let's see. Elephant, cheetah, kangaroo, giraffe. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Yes, excellent. The cheetah. So we put est to the adjective fast and don't forget to put the before the adjective. Okay, here we have the superlative. هنا ليس لدينا مقارنة بين حيوانين. هنا الشيتا هو الأسرع بين هذه الحيوانات جميعها. تفضيل. Okay, صيغة التفضيل. Now, do you remember what's the widest ocean in the world? Here we add only est because the adjective ends in e. Let's see. Yes, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Look at Pacific. Yes, is the widest ocean in the world. So we make the superlative form by adding st. Okay, and putting the between the adjective. So we have a lot of oceans. We have a lot of oceans and the Pacific Ocean is the widest one. لدينا الكثير من المحيطات والمحيط. هنا هذا المحيط هو المحيط الأعرض في العالم. إذن المحيط الهادي هو المحيط الأعرض في العالم. What's the biggest country of the world? Here we have a short adjective big. Okay, we make the superlative form by doubling G. Why do we double G? Because we have one consonant and before it one vowel. Okay, هنا نضاعف الجي. لماذا؟ لدينا حرف ساكن وقبله حرف صوتي. And we add est and we put the. What's the biggest country of the world? Do you remember? Yes, Russia is the biggest country in the world. So please don't forget this rule. We make the superlative form from short adjective by adding est. Okay, sometimes we double, such as the biggest. Sometimes we add only st, such as widest and the fastest. Okay, we add est. So now please open your class book on page 70. Lesson 3, grammar and song. Now we are going to ask and answer some quizzy questions, okay? But first, let's read the speech bubbles. Here we have a questions, okay? A question. What's the slowest animal? What's the slowest animal? Look at slowest animal. We have a group of animals and we will see what's the slowest animal. A monkey, a cheetah, a horse. Then the slowest animal, a monkey, okay? A monkey. Now I want to ask you questions and you will find the information from the table here. What's the biggest fruit? Okay, what's the biggest fruit? A grape, an apple, a melon. Who can tell me? Yes, a melon. What's the fastest transport? What's the fastest transport? A car, a plane, or a train? Yes, a plane. What's the tallest animal? A cat, a giraffe, a lion. A giraffe, yes. What's the smallest country? The UK, the USA, Russia. Yes, the UK. The smallest country here is the UK. Yes. Please, let's see the first question and write it on your notebook, okay? Write it on your notebook. What is the biggest fruit? Here we have the adjective big, okay? How do we make superlative form from it? We double G and we add est and we put the, okay? Big, the biggest. Let's see. A grape, an apple, a melon. What's the biggest fruit? Yes, a melon is the biggest fruit. Okay, a melon is the biggest fruit. Here we have a question and here we have an answer. Okay, please write it on your notebook. What is the fastest transport? What meaning of transport? وسائل النقل. Okay, fast. We make superlative adjective from it by adding est and we put the fastest. Let's see. A plane, a train, a car. What's the fastest transport? Yes, a plane. The fastest transport is a plane. Okay, so we add est to the adjective fast. Now, exercise number 3, listen and sing. But before listening, look at the pictures, okay? Look at the picture. What are the children doing? Look at the children. What are they doing? Yes, they are playing a quiz game, okay? They're playing a quiz game. Look at the boy. Is he singing? Yes, he is. Now, look at this boy. Does he know the answer? Yes, he knows the answer, okay? He puts his hands up, so he knows the answer. Now please listen carefully to a song, okay?
A quiz. 82. Listen and sing. My quiz.
What's the biggest country? Do you know? Do you know? What's the highest mountain? Do you know? Listen my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. What's the biggest ocean? Do you know? Do you know? What's the smallest country? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is.
Yes, now the song is very nice, so please try to read it at home, okay? Try to read it twice. And now let's read it together and explain it. My quiz. What's the meaning of quiz? Yes, اختباري, امتحاني, yes. Now please underline the superlative adjective. Okay, while reading, underline the superlative adjective. What's the biggest country? Do you remember this question? The biggest. Underline the biggest. Okay, the superlative form of big. The biggest. الأكبر. Yes, Russia. Do you remember it? Do you know? Do you know? What's the highest mountain? Do you remember this question? Who can tell me? High, the adjective high, you put est, underline the highest, ضع خط, okay? The biggest, the highest. We put est and before it the. Who can remember what's the highest mountain? Yes, Mount Everest, excellent. Do you know? Okay, listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? So listen to my quiz, listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. He wants to know the answer, okay? He wants you to listen and know the answer. What's the biggest ocean? Do you remember? Here please underline the biggest, okay? The superlative form of big. Big, the biggest. ما هو المحيط الأكبر? Yes, the Pacific Ocean. Do you know? Do you know? What's the smallest country? Do you know? Do you remember the smallest country? Yes, listen to my quiz, listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. So here we have a question and he wants you to know the answer. Okay, what's the biggest country? Russia. And here, what's the biggest ocean? The Pacific Ocean. What's the highest mountain? Mount Everest. So please, again, try to sing it alone at home, okay? Yes, now you have homework, okay? You should do it alone. On your workbook, page 66. Yes, let's see lesson 3, grammar and song, okay, from your workbook. I will explain the questions. Number 1, look at the table, okay? Look at the table and circle the mistakes in each sentence. You have a mistake, okay? لديكم أخطاء في كل جملة سنصحح الأخطاء، تمام؟ And write the correct sentence ونكتب الجمل الصحيحة. Now look at this table, please. We have the countries from the smallest to the biggest. Okay? لدينا البلدان من الأصغر إلى الأكبر. The UK, Australia, Russia. From smallest to the biggest. Now from the shortest to the tallest. We have animals, some animals. And we have from the shortest to the tallest. من الأقصر إلى الأطول. Hen, horse, giraffe. And we have the transport, وسائل النقل, from the slowest to the fewest, okay? Fastest. From the slowest to the fastest. من الأبطأ إلى الأسرع. Car, train, plane. Yes, let's see. Number 1. A train is faster than a plane. A train is faster than a plane. هنا يوجد خطأ. A train is slower than a plane. Okay, number 2, a hen is taller than a horse. Look at hen and look at horse. A hen is taller than? No. Okay, a hen is shorter than. So circle a mistake and write the correct sentence. يعني اعمل دائرة حول الكلمة الخطأ وصححها. Number 3, Australia is smaller than the UK. Australia is smaller than? No. Okay, so we have Australia is bigger than. Number 4, a plane is slower than a car. A plane is slower than a car. A plane is slower than a car. هل هو أبطأ من السيارة؟ No. A plane is faster than a car. Now number 5, the UK is bigger than Russia. The UK and Russia. Bigger than? No. The UK is smaller than Russia. Number 6, a giraffe is shorter than a horse. A giraffe is shorter than a horse. هل هو أقصر من الهورس giraffe؟ الزرافة. The giraffe is taller than a horse. Here we have a comparative. Okay? A comparison. هنا لدينا مقارنة. So we have ER and than. Now number 2. Take the correct answer. Which transport is faster? Which transport is faster? Which is faster, a plane or a car? Yes, a plane. Number 2. Which country is smaller? The UK, Russia. Okay? What's the tallest animal? A giraffe, a hen, a cow. What's the slowest transport? A train, a plane, a car. What's the biggest country? Russia, Australia, the USA. What's the shortest animal? A hen, a horse, a sheep. Here we have the superlative form, okay? The tallest animal, the slowest transport, the biggest country, the shortest animal. Okay? But here we have a comparative form. في السؤال الأول هو نموذج عن المقارنة، في السؤال الثاني نموذج عن التفضيل. من فضلكم اكتبوا واجباتكم ولا تنسوا أن ترسلوها إلي. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. I hope you understand.